Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? It's Taco Tech Tip Tuesday. We got the Mountain Missile. This thing's for sale, by the way, if anybody wants to buy it. Hit me up or hit up PRE Racing and we'll get you into this absolute beast of an off-road something. Alright, so here's our tip for today. This is our external wastegate. And if you look, the external wastegate is on the up pipe. The dump tube is just kind of hanging out, and this whole system is essentially, anytime you hit a bump or a vibration, all of the weight of the dump tube and the gate is on, you can't probably see it here, is on the edge of the flange of that up pipe. There's the weld right there, so you can just barely see it right there. Everything is going to stress right on that one point, and because they're using cheap thin stainless steel, even if they're not using cheap thin stainless steel, there's a lot of force that's going to pull on that weld. And what happens is you end up with an up pipe that looks a little something like this over time. So how do you prevent that from happening? Well, what you want to do is keep all of this from vibrating. And the simplest way to do that I've found is with a hose clamp. So you just take your hose clamp and you put it around your pipe and you get it started here. And basically what we're going to do is we're just going to take this hose clamp and we're going to use it to hold the dump tube to the downpipe. I've loosened the flange just a little bit so this will rotate right up to the downpipe, and it's also because it becomes essentially one unit at that point. It's not going to vibrate, it's not going to rattle, it's just going to sit there. It's also going to keep your clamp from failing, which is another common problem you see, is the clamp fails and then the wastegate falls off. So if we do it this way, we're going to have no vibration on the up pipe, we're not going to crack that weld or crack the pipe next to the weld, and we end up with, so you can see there's just a little gap there. We're going to suck that right in and it's going to be nice and tight and flush. So here we go. And you can see now that I've tightened it down, it's nice and flush up against, so this pipe and this pipe are now one with each other. And all that vibration is going to happen in the whole system and not be focused on that point on the weld. So you can get back to that shot on the weld on the up pipe here. And that's the simple tech tip for today. You do this when you install it and you'll never have to worry about it.